Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, I've decided to make a 3-layer bracelet. I do love layered jewellery, so I decided to make a 3-layered bracelet. So what it would be is the longer one here, the shorter one in the middle and the shortest at the end. And then I've got all these beautiful charms that I intend to kind of spread them out. And I want the bracelet to hang sort of the wrist and hand, like the wrist and then of the hand, and it hanging down with the charms. So that's what we're going to try and do, either 1 or 2 strands. So you'll need some jewelry making chain, and you'll cut the layers into 3 layers, the longer one and then a shorter one and then the shortest one. 3. And also what you'll need is some small I think it'll work better on some small charms. I'm using about 10 charms, I think. I might do it as 2 layers or 3. I'll see how it looks. But I've got about 10 charms. They're all kind of small, they're kind of the same size. And also I've got some jump rings. So you'll need how many jump rings you're going to need to how many charms you're going to use. And also what I'm also going to do up the bracelet, I'm going to use this bar. And then also I'm going to use this hook to hook it, like the bar hook. And also you'll need some jewelry, some flush cutters to cut the chain. You might need chain nose pliers. And you definitely need round nose pliers. So let's begin. And also I'm using some large jump rings for the end. 2 large jump rings, 1 or 2, I'll see how it looks. Large jump rings for the end. And to put on the charms, I'm going to use the small one. Small jump rings, about 10 I've got roughly. So first of all, what we're going to do is just lay out the longer one here, then the shorter one, the shorter one, then the shortest. See here, long, shortest, there we are. So what we're going to do, I'm going to start on the top one and just put some charms. I'm going to just lay out the charms first, see how it looks. So I'm just using some small ones, small charms. I've got loads of charms here. So I'm just going to lay it out, the storage, to have it sort of like one in the middle. See how it looks first. 1 charm in the middle, and then 1 here. I want it to look at sort of pattern, and 1 here, and then 1 can go here, and then a charm could sort of go in the middle. Well, it's not the middle, it's the side sort of thing. Another charm can go like here, and then another charm can go here, and another one can go there. So when they're on your wrist, you've got some sort of gaps in between, so you can actually see them. So what we'll do is start off by picking up the small jump rings and just attach it on. I think I'll just attach the middle one first of all. So I'm going to just pick up the jump ring and try with this middle one here. I'm going to just pick that up and then open it across. Open it across like that. So that's sort of in the middle there. So we're going to just hook that on, then hook on this charm, and then close it in. Sometimes I like to get my chain nose pliers and then just close it in, bring it together. Grip both sides and then just bring it together. So that it's in the middle. I'm going to attach this one here. Thought I'd bring my ruler in. Bring my ruler so I just know where that one was. Just repeat the procedure by picking up the jump ring and 4 centimeters in. I think I'll bring in my ruler to see where it was. So yeah, so it was about here. And then I'll repeat the procedure by putting in the jump ring and attaching the charm on it. So I've attached some, I had to lay it out and attach some. Now, not quite hanging how I want. I think that this bit's a bit gappy. So I think I need to put something in the middle, maybe this apple here. Because I want the space to be kind of equal. I think I'll put this apple here. Or maybe swap it with this one. See how it goes. So I've put them all on. I've kind of spaced them out. The spaces between each one is around 5 centimeters, more or less. So I've put them all up. I've kind of spaced them out so each one can be seen. And I've put a loop at each side so that when I was picking it up and sort of hanging it, I can see how it kind of drops. So I've put a loop on each side, but I want to change it to one of these. I think I'll keep, actually I think I'll keep the loop. So thread loops on, just thread the loops through each side. And then what you're going to do is take a smaller jump ring, and the smaller jump rings, and then you're going to thread it through the large jump ring, so like that. And then you're going to pick up the bar and thread that in, and then just close it. Get my chain nose pliers and grip it together and close it. Bring it together. See there. Then go to the other side. I like how that looks, you know. Go to the other side. Pick up the smaller jump ring. And then you can just hook it onto the little circle thing. Just hook that on. And then hook that onto here. And I like to just give it a close. Like that. And I like to sort of press it in using the chain nose pliers, just kind of push it in. So there you are. I like how it's come out. Lovely 3-layered chain bracelet. I love it. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you've got any chain or charms left, then I can link if you haven't already seen my other video with my how to make a nice 3-layered necklace. Lovely. I'll link that if you've not already seen it, so maybe you could wear them together. That's if you've got any left over, or you buy some more. But thank you so much for watching my channel. If you've got any comments or any questions, please pop them down below. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I try and make a video every single week, and I'll put my social links down below. If you like the channel, please press the like button. If you do subscribe, please click the notification button, which is the little bell, so they know that they'll let you know when I've made another video, and share to anybody else that likes to make fun jewelry. And also I'll link my Etsy shop. I've got an Etsy shop where I sell lots of handmade jewelry and pretty packaging, which is free, which I love to do that. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye for now.